priming you guys. We're good. We got this one. Really? One more out.
Yep.
That's my bad. I'm doing all right. Well, that one. I get that on tape.
Yeah.
Another one at him.
Yeah.
Make sure to get the 2 as well.
All right, 2 to your left.
What?
You already get 2
to
to
your
the
left.
Didn't you already get 2 to his left?
Okay, got another one there. You're almost done.
What is it back here?
Another one to your left.
That's right. You get a couple other ones to his left.
All right, we'll go to your right now.
Backhand or no?
Whatever you can do, just depending on how it's hit. Do a backhand for fun.
Hey, leave it, Jordan.
All right, slow.